Hey everyone, so it's Thursday. You've got about 4 more days before school's over. I know you're probably very ready to be done. It's been a very long summer. Actually, long time since we went into this whole COVID thing. So I just want to briefly go over where we stand with the courses. I wanted to show you that when it's all said and done, you will have a total of 1,450 points available to you over an 8 week period. That's that you've been putting in about 150 points a week. Some of you have been really nailing it, and others of you have been trying to do your best. So just keep on trucking on to the very end here. So what I wanted to show you is that if you want to earn an A, you're going to have 1,305 points. If you want a B, 1160. If you want to pass, and I believe you only need a D, you're going to have to get at least 870 points. So let's look at this. There's some details here about where we stand. All of this will be posted on the announcement that I'm giving you. But as of right now, and I'm going to pull up someone here who's a sample A. I think that's this one. So right now I have someone, I don't need the screen to be that big. Anywho, right now I have someone who has, let's go ahead and make it big, has an A. Actually, they have 102%. So we just wanted to show you a reminder here that along this right-hand side is what the points are that assignment is. If it has a dash, it has not yet been either done or it's not yet due. So for example, this Tusho Brahe is not yet done, but this person has done the video. So he has a score, or she, out of the 20. This one right here, these are not yet done, and or they're the flip grids and I haven't yet gotten to them. And that's what this example is. So I also haven't gone through to do any of this extra credits. If you did some Canvas contributions for answers and so forth, I also had some of you did that honor lock and you got this point here. And if you had any others, I haven't really heard a lot of extra credit designs coming at you. So right now, the only thing missing then are the two assignments, which are the final, which is 160. And that assignment, once you get it, your grade will be put here. But just like with all the other exams, I will put in an excuse for the actual online grade, and I will move that score to the adjusted column. So that means that this will end up being an X, and whatever this score that you earn, so 160 possible points, will be filled in for here. So bottom line, once everything's all said and done, and what's truly missing is the stuff for this week and the exam, is you're going to have 1450. So this person only has 1285. And that's because this person did not yet do the exam and they did not do, or I haven't yet graded the flip grids. All right, so the flip grid is 25 points for the initial post, and then the 2 replies is 10, so that's a total of 35 points for that final flip grid. So this person is outstanding a few of those points, but let's just look without having had those points in. This person now has 1321. So if I take the points, the fact that they have 1321, I divide it by the 1450 that's going to be required, this person already has a 91%. So what does that mean? That means that this person is done. They are welcome, and I do hope that they participate, especially want to hear what you have to say about the 5 theories that are going to blow your mind. So this person could put, when I go through here, if they did nothing further, I'd put a 0, and I'd put a 0, and I'd put a 0 for the exam. But that wouldn't change the fact that they still have 1,321 points. So they've got an A at this point, no matter what they do. So kudos to this person. So what you need to do then is go in and see how many points do you actually have right here. Take that number and divide it by 1450 to see where do I stand for my score if I didn't do anything else. And of course, that's not going to be the case for most of you. It's going to be the case, however, for a handful of you, because I do have a handful of more than 100%. So awesome job. Keep going. All right, so let me take a look then back at this point here. So how do you figure out what you need to earn? You're going to figure out what you've got so far. You're going to subtract out, aim your target, subtract what you have, and figure out what you need to earn on the exam in order to get the score that you want, all right? If you're super far behind, there's a couple of you who kind of have lost yourself a little bit. You might want to go back and redo those 2 interactive assignments where you had to go and make a screencast and do some stuff on continental margins, or the tides on your birthday. You can redo those. And if you are really, really struggling, you need to be talking to me to see what we can do to help you get through. It is my goal to help everyone be successful. So there's what you need. Hope it works out. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and good luck on the exam, although you don't need it because you all will have studied. See ya.